Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best snap kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone who works with fabrics, upholstery, or even just needs to make quick repairs on clothing or accessories. It's the unsung hero that allows for secure and professional-looking fastenings without the need for complex sewing or specialized equipment, transforming how you approach DIY projects and garment customization with its simple yet effective design. Number 5. Snap Fastener Tool Heavy-Duty Snap Setter Pliers. Introducing our heavy-duty snap setter pliers, designed for effortless snap installation. This tool combines snap setting and hole punching, saving you time and hassle. The magnetic mold head ensures easy replacement and prevents accidental drops. This feature makes your work smoother and more secure. Weighing just 1.2 pounds, this tool is lightweight and can be operated with one hand. It's perfect for on-the-go repairs without needing to remove the item. Constructed with phosphating galvanized and heat-treated dies, it offers superior abrasion, stain, and hardness resistance. This ensures long-lasting durability for all your projects. This kit includes 60 sets of stainless steel snaps in silver and black. It's ideal for securing marine snaps, canvas covers, tarpaulins, boat covers, and other heavy fabrics. We are dedicated to providing the best experience. If you encounter any missing accessories, we will gladly replenish them for free. What we like? This kit simplifies your workflow by combining punching and snapping into one tool. Its magnetic head ensures no parts go missing. If you're looking for a tool that streamlines the installation process and prevents dropped components, this is a great choice for quick repairs on the go. What people say? The kit is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for heavy-duty applications. The snaps are easy to install and hold securely, even under stress. The variety of sizes included in the kit is impressive, offering flexibility for different projects. Number 4. Snap Fasteners Kit, Heavy-Duty Marine Snaps. Introducing our Heavy-Duty Snap Fasteners Kit, perfect for all your marine and upholstery needs. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for secure and lasting repairs. Our pliers feature a magnetic die holder, ensuring a secure grip and preventing parts from falling during installation. It's designed for easy application on various materials like boat covers, tarps, and leather. Crafted with quench hardening and surface plating, this tool is built for durability. It's anti-corrosion, rust-proof, sturdy, and designed to last through frequent use. Experience precise installation with our highly calibrated and adjustable pliers. The system ensures accurate alignment for a perfect snap every time, giving you better leverage. Achieve a tighter, more secure snap that won't easily fall off. Our upgraded design utilizes the dies and tools effectively for a firm and reliable fastening. This kit comes complete in a convenient carrying bag, including various snap button sets and essential tools. It's your go-to solution for daily snap fastening tasks. What we like? Experience a secure and precise snap installation with its magnetic holder and accurate alignment system. This ensures your snaps stay put and look professional. If you need a durable tool that guarantees a tight, reliable fit for marine canvas, upholstery, or leather projects, this is the one to consider. What people say? This has its own case, has the snaps in an organized case. It even has a tool to remove the cutouts that accumulate inside one of the dies. The step-by-step instructions were helpful. I like the way the tension on the pliers could be adjusted, so I could start off with less pressure and then adjust it to a higher pressure. It not only works to attach the snaps but also cuts the hole very cleanly. Just make sure you have the tension set right. Number 3. YXGOOD Heavy Duty Snap Fastener Tool Kit. Introducing the YXGOOD Heavy Duty Snap Fastener Tool. This kit is designed for robust repairs on marine-grade snap rings, perfect for boat covers and heavy-duty outdoor fabrics. Crafted from high-grade, heat-treated alloy steel, this tool ensures maximum toughness. The crimping head is also heat-treated for enhanced robustness, guaranteeing long-lasting performance. Using it is simple. Just align the components, adjust the rotating rod, and press firmly. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process with ease. Experience enhanced safety and comfort with its high-quality, no-slip traction grip. This lightweight tool can be operated with just one hand, making repairs less strenuous. This comprehensive kit includes the snap fastener plier, 50 sets of snap fasteners, screws, molds, and a small scissor. Get everything you need to save time and money on your projects. What we like. Built for toughness and ease of use, this tool features a robust alloy steel construction and a comfortable non-slip grip. Its lightweight design makes it manageable for extended use. If you're a crafter or DIY enthusiast who values durability and comfortable handling for projects like boat covers or awnings, this offers excellent performance. What people say. The kit is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for heavy-duty applications. All the components are included and fit together perfectly, making assembly straightforward. The snaps are strong and hold securely, even under significant stress. Number 2. Heavy-Duty Snap Fastener Toolkit. Introducing our Heavy-Duty Snap Fastener Toolkit. This patented, all-in-one tool simplifies your repair projects, saving you time and effort. Unlike other tools, ours includes a built-in punch die. This means you can punch holes and set snaps all with a single, convenient tool. This kit comes with 100 sets of snaps in 4 versatile colors: silver, black, bronze, and gold. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. Install snaps easily without removing items. Its portable design allows for efficient repairs on canvas covers, tarps, clothing, and more, anytime and anywhere. Constructed with a phosphate galvanized body, this tool is exceptionally wear-resistant, stain-resistant, and durable. The heat-treated dies ensure long-lasting performance. The adjustable design and vice grip system provide superior leverage. This makes crimping the snap pieces together effortless and secure. What we like. This patented, all-in-one tool allows you to punch and snap without switching. It offers adjustable leverage for effortless crimping. If you need a comprehensive solution for various fabric repairs and appreciate a tool designed for maximum efficiency and ease of use, this is an excellent option. What people say. The bits are magnetic and definitely hold pretty good. It's definitely not flimsy, it's beefy. This works great. The first thing you'll notice is how heavy it is. Not that it's hard to use, but that it feels sturdy. Holding it, you know it's gonna do the job and well. The magnets hold the various bases in place firmly so they don't move while punching a hole, or attaching the fastener pieces. Number 1. BetterJonny 24 Sets Heavy-Duty Leather Snap Fasteners Kit. Crafted from high-quality brass, these fasteners are designed to resist rust and maintain their appearance over time. You can rely on them for long-lasting durability. Featuring an elegant antique brass color, these snaps add a classic touch to your projects. They measure approximately 17 mm in diameter, offering a substantial look and feel. This comprehensive kit includes 24 complete sets of heavy-duty snaps, each composed of a cap, socket, close post, and stud. You also get 4 essential setter tools for easy application. Perfect for a wide range of leather projects and clothing repairs. Use them to embellish jackets, jeans, belts, hats, pet accessories, bags, and various DIY crafts. All 24 sets and the 4 setter tools come neatly organized in a convenient storage box. This ensures everything is easily accessible and kept in one place. What we like. Crafted from solid brass with an antique brass finish, these snaps offer both durability and aesthetic appeal. They are perfect for adding a touch of style to your leather goods. If you're working on jackets, jeans, bags, or DIY crafts and desire a premium, long-lasting fastener with a classic look, these are an ideal choice. What people say. Snap set was perfect to snaps to a pair of PJs for my nieces. The size of these are a perfect fit for my extra thick flannel shirts. Needed replacement snaps and the cost for the items received is great. Easy to attach to shirts. Excellent item for anyone who has snap fasteners. Very easy to fit and good quality fasteners. Used on my leather jacket and can't differentiate from existing one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.